Good morning, students. In maths today, we are going to revise what comes after and what comes before, and we will learn what comes in between. So let's start with the revision. In our last class, children, we did what comes after. So when we count forward from a given number, we get the number after. By forward counting, I mean counting. Suppose we have these numbers here, 0 to 5. So we'll count from 0 to 5. Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by counting forward, we get the number after. Let's see this with an example. Can you see the ball here, children? It's on number 2. Now the ball has to jump on the number after 2. So let's do forward counting. Let's start from 1. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. So the ball will jump on number 3. Now let's revise what comes before. To get the number before, we have to do backward counting. So by counting backwards from a given number, we get the number before. By backward counting, I mean, we have numbers here from 5 to 0. So we'll count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In this way we count backwards. So this way we get the number before. Let's see this with the help of an example. Can you see the ball here, children? It's on which number? It's on number 3. So now the ball has to jump on the number before 3. So let's do backward counting from 3. 3. What comes before 3? 2. So the ball will jump on number 2. Now children, so we will start with what comes in between. But before that, you have to practice what comes before and after well, because they help us to do this exercise. Let's start, children. Can you see this garden here? We have flowers here, children, and we have numbers displayed on these flowers. So as you can see, we have numbers here from 1 to 7. Let's count. Let's do forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now children, with the help of these numbers, we will learn what comes in between. Can you see these two numbers here? We have number 1 here and number 3 here. What will come in between these two numbers? Let's do forward counting from 1. So 1, what comes after 1? 2, 3. So the answer is 2. So by going forward, we get the number in between. I have another example for you, children. We have number blocks here. We have number 3 and number 5. So what comes in between here, 3 and 5? Let's do forward counting and see. We'll do forward counting from 3. So 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 4. Children, in this way, we revised what comes after and what comes before also. So in similar way, with the help of Mama and Papa, you can revise what comes in between in your notebooks. Let's practice this once here. We have two numbers here, 2 and 4. What comes in between 2 and 4? Let's do forward counting and see from 2, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 3. See the next one, children. We have 8 and 10. What comes in between 8 and 10? Let's count. 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 9. Can you see this one? I don't have the answer written here, so you have to practice this at home. We have two numbers, 5 and 7. So what comes in between 5 and 7? Let's do forward counting from 5. 5. What comes comes after 5? 6, 7. So the answer is 6. See the other one here? We have 3 and 5. So what comes in between 3 and 5, children? Let's count forward from number 3. 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 4. So in this way, children, in your maths notebooks, practice what comes after, what comes before, and what comes in between in this way. Learn well, stay safe, happy learning.